Hello and welcome to Color Basics. I'm Jen Smith with HedPolish Education, and today we are at the laundry room salon. Today I'm going to show you how I do a one-step color application, aka a retouch or root touch-up. First step is to section your client's hair into 4 clean sections from forehead to nape and from ear to ear. Now that I have my 4 sections, I'm going to work in an order 1, 2, 3, 4. This way the hair will process more evenly. Now that I have my hair sectioned, I'm going to go ahead in, and with my first sections, I'm going to outline it with my color. Once I'm done with my outline, I go ahead and take 1/8 of an inch subsections and cover the top and the bottom of that section, making sure that I do not overlap the fresh color onto previous colored hair. Once I'm done with that section, I place that hair down and I start on my next section, again outlining my section with color and then going in with 8-inch subsections, not overlapping previously colored hair. I like to make sure that I color both the top side and the bottom side of each section to make sure that each hair is fully saturated with color. Next, I move to my back sections. The textbooks will tell you to do it in a clockwise or counterclockwise sectioning. I like to do my front 2 quadrants and then my back 2 quadrants in the same order I did my front 2 quadrants. So I'm starting back on my left. I feel like everything seems to process more evenly this way. And now my final section, almost done. And there you go. There's my one-step color retouch application for you. Enjoy!